Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add friends to a shortcut on Snapchat. Without further ado, let's get started. Now let's just head on and open up our Snapchat application right here. And from the camera page, let's just take a random snap to just access our shortcut. So I'm just going to tap on the shutter button right here. And from here, let's click on the option that says send to at the bottom right hand corner. Like that. And you should be able to see your shortcuts, the shortcuts you have created right here, right below the search bar. So I have one shortcut right here. And for example, I want to add one friend to that shortcut. So just click on this shortcuts option right here. Click on that. And from here, you can edit your shortcuts. So you can use shortcuts to quickly select friends and groups, and shortcuts are private to just you. So just a note. And then what you're going to do is to click on that specific shortcut you want to add a friend to. So for example, I want to add a friend to the shortcut with the thumbs up emoji. Click on that. And this list should pop up with all your Snapchat friends. So you just simply have to click on this little circle right beside their name right here. And that should, the check mark should pop up right beside their name. And that should also include them on that specific shortcut. So you can just click whichever friend you want to include on the shortcut. For example, I'm just going to add these ones. And after you have selected the friends that you want to include in your shortcut, just click on save right here. And you have successfully added friends to your shortcut on Snapchat. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.